So Bigcommerce, let's take a look at pros and cons. Now, first things first, let's look at the cons firstly. Yearly sales threshold is very stupid. That basically once you reach a threshold on annual sales, your plan, the selected plan, would automatically upgrade to a higher plan if the annual sales limit is exceeded, which is absolutely stupid. The no email marketing tools is basically, unlike other competitors, BigCommerce does not provide any email marketing tools at all, and you need to pay for a third party app. That really is a big con. Now, no subscription features. If you want to sell subscriptions or take recurring payments, you need to pay for a 30 app. That's weird. The no multilingual options, there's not a built-in feature, but you can basically use the Google Translate to automatically translate the website for you, so it's not really big of a deal. The tons of features is a very big thing here, and the product variants, adding product options variants is very easy and flexible, unlike other alternatives like Shopify. There's almost no limit to the number of products variants you can create. The scalability as well, BigCommerce is suitable for e-commerce platform with both and big stores. Additionally, if your online store project grows, BigCommerce will comfortably grow with it, like upgrading you to a higher plan or something. And there's no transaction fees, which genuinely blew my mind. BigCommerce doesn't charge transaction fees with any other plans. This can save quite a bit of money, especially for BigCommerce stores with low margins and a lot of transactions, basically. That's good. And solid SEO features when it comes to SEO capabilities. BigCommerce is one of the best store builders we've ever tried. So take this from you. You have cons and pros in front of your face. Now make your decision. Is BigCommerce worth it? In my eyes, it definitely is. Apart from this annual threshold plan, but I'm sure they're gonna fix that. They're not too greedy, are they?